In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Drive to File Explorer on Windows. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll be able to open your Google Drive files just like any other folder on your computer, which makes organizing and accessing your documents a lot more convenient. Let's start by getting the app you need. On your Windows computer, open your preferred web browser and head to the official Google Drive download page. You can find this easily by searching for Google Drive for desktop download. Once you're on the correct page, look for the option that says Download Drive for Desktop. Go ahead and click that button. Your browser will begin downloading the setup file, and depending on your internet speed, this might take a moment. Make sure you remember where the file is being saved, usually in your Downloads folder. When the download finishes, it's time to install the app. Open your Downloads folder and double-click the setup file you just downloaded. Windows may show a security prompt asking if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. Click Yes to continue. An installation window will appear and guide you through the process. Most people can simply accept the default settings and click through the prompts, choosing Install when asked. Wait for the installation to complete, and then click Close or Finish when it's done. Next, you'll sign in to your Google account. After installation, the Google Drive for Desktop app should launch automatically. If it doesn't, you can open it from the Start menu by searching for Google Drive. A sign-in window will appear, asking you to log in to your Google account. Enter your account details, then follow any additional verification steps if prompted. Once you're signed in, the app will connect your computer to your Google Drive storage in the cloud. Now let's confirm that Google Drive has been added to File Explorer. Open File Explorer by clicking the folder icon on your taskbar or pressing the Windows key and E on your keyboard. In the left-hand sidebar or under This PC, you should now see Google Drive listed as a new drive, often with its own drive letter, such as G. Click on it, and you'll see your My Drive files and any shared folders you have access to. From here, you can open, move, copy, and manage files just like you would with any other folder on your computer, while everything stays synced with your Google account in the background.